In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a to-do list in Meta Business Suite. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to keep your team organized using the planner and calendar inside Business Suite. Start by opening a browser and heading to business.facebook.com. Once the dashboard loads, select the Facebook page you want to work with. This ensures you're creating tasks within the right workspace. If you manage multiple pages, double-check the page name at the top so your to-dos land in the correct place. Next, look to the left-hand navigation and click Planner. Planner is the home base for your content timeline and task planning. It's designed to give you a visual overview of what's coming up, what's due, and who's responsible for what. Inside Planner, you'll see a button labeled Plus Create Post, and in some accounts, you may also see Plus Task. If Plus Task is available to you, click it to create a dedicated to-do item that sits alongside your content plans. If you only see Plus Create Post, you can still use it to plan your work and add reminders that help you track production steps. Either option keeps your workflow centralized in one place. When the task window opens, give your task a clear, action-focused name. Think in terms of next steps like draft July product announcement caption or collect client photos for carousel. Then set an optional due date. Due dates are more than just a reminder. They help the task slot into the correct place on your calendar so you can see priorities at a glance. If you're unsure of the exact day, pick a target week and set a date that best represents your intended milestone. If you're collaborating, assign the task to a team member. This is optional, but it's a powerful way to create accountability. The assignee will see the task associated with the page, and everyone can align around who's doing what. If you're a one-person team, you can skip this and keep it unassigned. When everything looks good, click Save. Your task is now created and added to your planning space. You'll notice it appear in the calendar view, which makes tracking incredibly straightforward. The calendar gives you a visual map of upcoming tasks by day, so you can quickly scan deadlines, coordinate timing with scheduled posts, and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. That's it. You've created a to-do in Meta Business Suite, organized it by date, and if needed, assigned it to the right person. All from the planner for clear, centralized planning.